I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by power cycling the console to clear transient update flags. Hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, then restart. Once done, connect the controller with a USB cable so the system treats it as wired hardware rather than prompting a forced firmware update. Make sure you're signed into the main profile with admin privileges, because settings and updates require that level of access. Now navigate to the console settings menu to begin targeted device action. You'll go to Settings, then Devices and Connections, and open Accessories. Once there, select the controller you want to revert and choose More options to access firmware details. If a rollback option is presented, pick the previous firmware version and confirm. The console will download and apply it. During installation, keep the controller wired and do not power off the console. This process reverses the firmware's behavior by replacing current files with the selected older build. Once the firmware is applied, you should verify functionality in accessories by testing buttons, sticks, and vibration. If the console didn't offer a rollback, you can use the Xbox support Apps Diagnostics or contact Microsoft support for a manual service or guided recovery. Make sure to disable automatic updates or avoid connecting wirelessly until you confirm the stable release. Otherwise, the controller may update again. Finally, keep backups of important profiles and note the firmware version for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.